Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Jer. This is Emil. This is
Sam Z from Cookies, Cakes, and Pies.
That's right, guys.
And this is... On today's episode of Baked, we'll be making cereal treats.
I'm so starving, dude.
Hear me?
Alright, I've prepared a recipe today for this one, so where is...
Oh, you mean that notepad? Here. Did you write down all the cereal?
Woo! In case you guys want to follow along at home, here's the recipe that we'll be following today. The ingredients that we'll be using today are cereal, marshmallows, and butter. That's all you need.
It really is.
Alright, Emil, the first step is to grab the butter and throw it in that saucepan. We gotta put that on a low heat.
Give me the butter.
Heat it up.
Wait, we had to heat this first? Are you kidding?
Alright, here comes the butter.
La-da-dee, la-da-do, la-da-dums.
Let it swim around in there.
La-da-dee, la-da-do, la-da-dum.
Alright, the next step is as follows. We gotta start throwing these bad boys in.
Ooh, I want to throw one of those in.
Hell yeah.
them all in, so.
Oh my.
Taking
that's just
forever.
beautiful with the waterfall.
We cast.
They don't burn.
Now, Emil, take on this next opportunity to stir those bad boys up.
Alright, I guess I'll try it. Yeah, why not? Where's the... There we go. Yeah, dude.
You're doing a pretty good job.
I actually don't like this. This
Oh.
isn't fun, dude.
Well, it seems as though we have a question from the audience, yes?
Wait. Oh, how can we help?
Turn it off.
Wow, she's doing a way better job than you were, Emil.
No, I did it. I loosened it up. Come on, look at that. Bitch wants to fucking stir it instead of me. Ah. I'm
Baked, ladies and gentlemen.
Fried.
Alright, it seems as though the next step is to... Wait, what are you doing? Oh,
We have to pour them on the
put them on the cereal.
Okay, if you say so.
Oh my.
Alright, these are starting to look fantastic.
Dude, it smells so fruity, so chocolatey, so pebbly.
So everything. I mean, your flavors are gonna blast out of your mouth.
And last but not least, we have to just pour these into the pan and then set them to dry.
Can I
away.
like grab them? I want to grab.
Baked, baked.
Alright, folks, it's just about time for these to... The camera flip.
The time has come.
Wow. Alright, now all we gotta do is wait for these. Wow, these cereal treats sure do look delicious. I can't wait to dig into these.
Uh-huh.
Alright, now just cut out a square for us all to eat a piece.
Oh, that looks so good. Yo!
Yes, dude. Yes.
Wow, these sure do taste delicious. What do you guys think?
5 stars.
Another fantastic episode of Baked. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more. Well, tune in next week, whatever, you know. Baked.